Rope by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning without a capo. We're going to be using the chords A minor, G, E minor, and F. For the A minor chord, we're going to strum down, up, down, before moving to a G chord, and we're going to strum up, down, down. So up, down, down. So A minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, change, up, down, down. Then we're going to go to E minor, and the E minor to F uses exactly the same rhythm. So E minor, down, up, down, then on the up strum of 2, we're going to go to that F chord, and then up, down, down again. So down, down, up, down, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we have A minor, G, E minor, F, G, E minor, F, A minor, G, E minor, F. For the link section in the song where he's singing Don't Let Go of the Rope, we're just staying on that F chord and strumming down in 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and before going back through the kind of normal chord progression. For the lead riff in this song, we're going to start with the 3rd finger on the 10th fret of the B, going to the 8th fret with the 1st finger on the high E, then back to the B string at the 10th fret, going down to the 8th fret. So 10 on the B, 8 on the high E, a 10, 8 on the B. We're then going to walk up 8, 8 with a little bar on the E and B, E, B, going to 10th fret on the G. So we have, we'll then play 9 on the G, 8 on the B, back to 9 on the G, and 10 on the B. And then we're going to walk down 10, 8 on the B to 9 on the G. So, and the whole thing. I'm more up to speed.